So yesterday we did section formula. We were doing maths. Section formula we did. So there is a question on section formula, question number 5. P is a point on the x-axis with the coordinates x, 0 and which divide the joint of the points A 3, 4 and B 14, -3. Find the coordinates of P and also find the ratio in which P divides AB. So let's see. A is a point given in the question 3, 4. B is the point given 14, -3, and there is a point P dividing. Let us suppose the ratio is n is to n. Number 5, question number 5. First we find the ratio, that y coordinate is known. We use the formula y, my2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Putting the value y is 0, and y2 is here -3, and y1 is 4 by m plus n. This is coming 0 is equal to -3n plus 4n. This will come this side. 3n is equal to 4n, and then m by n value will come 4 by 3. Therefore ratio comes n is to n, 4 is to 3. The first answer. Now they are asking find the coordinates of P. That is, you have to find value of x also. X value formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. M is 4. Now the value of m is known. 4 is to 3 be found. 4 into this. 4 into 14 plus n is 3 into 3 by 4 plus 3. This is 56 plus 9 by 7. 63 by 7. This is 9. Therefore coordinate P is coming 9, 0. Yeah. Oh, that is a mistake. So A cannot be. A is not given. It is 9, 0. Okay. Yeah. Question number 10. The line joining. Okay. Question number 10. Question says the line joining A 2, 3 and B 6, -5 meets the x-axis at P. Okay. Write down the y coordinate of P. This is x, 0. Therefore, write y coordinate of P. Equal to 0. First answer. Hence, find the ratio AP is to PB. This is m. This is n. Find the same way. That is y is same way what I did just now. Same way, you know. This is 0, and y2 is -5, n into 3 by m plus n. This is 0 is equal to -5n plus 3n, 5n equal to 3n, n by n is equal to 3 by 5. The ratio n is to n is equal to 3 is to 5. Yeah? Take answer. Your answer is fine. 3 is to 5. Write on the y coordinate of P that we got. This answer is finished. If they ask you find the coordinate of point P, now you find value of x. Now tell me which number, which other number. You have any other number? Centroid. Any other question apart from it? I'll give the number also for you to try. Okay, after doing this one. This one centroid. If the three coordinates of the vertices of triangle is given like this: x1, y1, b is x2, y2, and c is x3, y3. These are the three corners of the triangle like this. A, B, C. These are the three corners. Then the centroid formula goes like this. Centroid formula of x is like this: x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and y formula will go like this: y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now you can do number 17. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, first vertices is given like this: -7, 4, 10, -2, 3, -2, 5. You have to find the coordinates of the centroid. You can do x separately, y separately, or you can do together here. Coordinates of centroid. Together also we can do here. Give a bracket. x1 plus x2 plus x3. Do that. -7 plus 10 plus 3 by 3, comma. This plus this plus this. Find the answer. That is the answer. 10 plus 3, 30 minus 7, 6 by 3. Here, -7 minus plus 4 become -3 by 3. Cancel. 2, -1. That's finished. If you want, you can do x separately, y separately, and again put the answer together. Okay? Any queries? Okay, you can mark the numbers we should try at home. Okay. Question number 20, 21, you can write it down: 20, 21, 22, 25, 26, 28, then 33, then 40, 42, 43, 44. 43, 44. And 41 also, 41 also. 41 also you should try. So today I teach new chapter, new topic. Equation of a straight line. This question which you see now what I am teaching, okay? The name of the chapter is Equation of Line. Equation of line. In this chapter, first you have to find the slope. Slope, or this is also called gradient, denoted by this simple M. So there may be three types of clues or questions from which we can find slope. Three types of hints will be given from which we can find slope. First hint will be angle will be given. Angle with the line making the x-axis. Angle with x-axis given. Suppose angle with x-axis is theta, then we write the formula A is equal to tan theta, tan of that angle. You get slope. When 2 points are given and we have to find the slope of it, 2 points like x1, y1 are given, x2, y2 are given, the slope formula will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And then an equation of a line given,
आता है
better yeah.
नहीं पर तो पाई वाली कितना है
An equation of line is using the formula y is equal to ax plus c. Y is equal to ax plus c formula. Further, when they say the two lines are parallel, you can write for two parallel lines, m1 will be equal to m2. For two perpendicular lines, m1 into m2 equal to -1. So this is the method we follow. Okay. Now see. Bro, sir. Rejoin. Okay, all right. Now when to use, when to, it depends upon the questions. Okay. For example, question says there is a line which makes 45-degree angle in the positive direction of x-axis. Then we will be using the formula n is equal to tan 45. When they say it's making an angle of 45 degree in the negative direction of x-axis, you will have n is equal to minus tan 45. That is -1. Okay. Now, sometimes instead of giving this clue, they may give a diagram, and from diagram, how to find the angle, how to find the slope if the angle is known. So, okay. See, diagram is given like this. This is the axis given. They have given a figure like this way. There is a line, and this line is taking angle 30 degree here. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line will do, this line, right hand side angle will be positive. We write that a is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. We will take 1 by root 3. Or if this angle is given 45 degree, we will take 45 degree, tan 45 degree, which is 1. If the line is given like this way, if the line is given like this, and here the angle is given say 30 degree, yeah, this side will be, in the left side of the angle will be negative. That side will take the same value with the minus sign. Same value with the minus sign will take. Suppose we are saying like this. Hazy, no, not hazy, what? You are saying hazy. So hazy is okay, alright. Huh? Hazy is alright. Okay, suppose we are saying a line like this. There is a line given in this manner. And they are saying the line makes equal intercept with the x-axis and y-axis, equal intercepts. How much is the angle? What is the slope? Equal intercept with this distance and this distance are same. This is A, this is B. OA distance and OB distance are equal. We should be saying how much 90 degree, no? That means the triangle is going to be an isosceles triangle. How much is the angle value then? This angle will be how much? 45. This angle also will be 45. Because isosceles right angle triangle actually is. So one angle is 90, another two angle will be 45 degree, 45 degree. How much is the slope value then? M is equal to what formula you will apply? Tan 45, positive or negative? What negative? The right side or this side angle is positive or other side angle is negative, no? Positive. Positive tan 45, that is 1. You will say M value is 1, positive 1. If the line is given in this manner, this way it is given. This is called first quadrant, this is called first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant, like this. A line cuts equal intercept on the first quadrant. These values are equal. This is A, this is B, like this. In the first quadrant, how much is the value of slope? What is the value of slope now? In this case, this is 90. What is the value of slope there? This angle will be how much? 45. This will be also 45. What is the slope there?
-1.
Yeah, negative tan 45, that is -1. -1 is the value of slope. So remember it. Understood? Yes? Okay. Sometimes they may give a like this, suppose is given here and the line is passing this way. Can you guess what is the slope of this line? This line bisects the y-axis. Question says that. This is x, this is y. This line is bisecting the y-axis. What is the slope? How much is the value of slope? Tan 0. This entire angle is how much? 90 degree, no? Then this will be what? 45, no? 45. What is the answer now? Tan, how much will you take now? Tan? Yeah, -1. Minus tan 45 is the slope value. The slope value is -1 in this case. If the line is shown like this, in this manner, this way, the line is shown like this, what is the slope of this line? This y-axis is bisected as like. This will be having positive 1. M is equal to positive 1. Okay. Now another question they are given like this. Just have a look at it. There is they have given triangle like this way is given. A, B, C. This is isosceles triangle. This is equilateral triangle. This is equilateral. All angles are 60-60. What is the slope of line BC? What is the slope of the line BC? What is the slope? No. BC is a line parallel to this x-axis. No. What angle is making with the x-axis? What angle this line makes with the x-axis? Parallel to like this line. How much is the angle? 0 degree. Tan 0 degree is 0. So it is making slope of the line BC is 0. BC is the line parallel to the x-axis. There is no slope only. Slope means angle with the x-axis I have written here. This line is making which angle with the x-axis? This is parallel. Parallel means 0 degree angle. Tan 0 degree is what? 0. The slope is 0. What is the slope of the line AB? Tell me what is the slope of the line AB? This AB, if you extend out, is making this angle 60 degree. This will also 60 degree only. AB has what slope? What is the slope of AB? Tan 60. Positive or negative? Positive, that is root 3. What is the slope of the line AC? What is the slope of the line AC? minus 10 60, yes, that is minus root 3. Hope you understood these are the situations. They may give a diagram. From the diagram also you can know the slope. If the angles are known, and how do we take the angles? Positive angle, negative angle, I showed already the diagram. Understood? Yes? Now the second type of clues given 2 points will be given. They may give a point like this 4, 3. Other point may be given -1, 4 like this. 2 points are given, and we have to know the slope of the line joining these 2 points. How to find slope? We'll now apply this formula. The second clue given that is 2 points are given with the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 given. How to find slope? There will be using the formula a is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This minus this you do 4 minus 3 upon this minus this minus 1 minus 4. 1 by minus 5 is the value of slope. Okay? So this one was straightforward, so there was no types in it. Now the third one. In the third one, they will give the equation of a line or there, and they will ask to find the slope of that line. Suppose the line is given like this: 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, find the slope of this line. How do you find the slope of this line? We'll make y the subject of formula. We'll express it y equal to mx plus c form. We'll make y this side. Try to keep y positive. I'll keep 4y this side. Rest of the thing I'll set on the other side. Then plus 3 will go that side. Minus 3x plus 8. Making y the subject of formula. This 4 will divide here also. 4 will divide here also. Minus 3 by 4x plus 8 by 4 will get. With 4 will divide both. The thing multiplying in x is the value of slope like this. So whatever multiplies in x, that is the value of m. Therefore, slope of this line will be minus 3 by 4. Yes? Okay. Now, if the situation is slightly different, suppose it is given minus 4 by 3x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. How to find the slope? This time make y this time, try to keep y positive. If you keep y this side and the left side, it remains negative. So you stand in the other side so that it becomes positive. 3x minus 8 is equal to 4y. With 4 we divide each one. 3 by 4x minus 8 by 4 is the value of y. This is the value of slope. Therefore, m value is only 3 by 4. Okay? If y is already given like this 3x minus 8, what is the value of slope? We already have y subject already there, so this is the value of 3. If it is given y by 2 is equal to something like this. Make y the subject. Cross multiply. 2 3 is 6x minus 16. Minus 16. This is the value of slope. 6. So it is simple. Okay, but when the equation of line is given, they will talk about with the line is parallel. You have to find the slope of parallel line, the line parallel to the given line or the perpendicular to the given line. In that case, the first slope I take as, suppose this is the first slope, 6. What is the slope of the parallel line? Slope of the parallel line I take m2. And m1 and m2 are equal. Limit is 6. Parallel slope. When it is parallel, the slope will be same. Parallel slope, that is m2 will remain the same. m1 and m2 are equal. But when they say perpendicular slope is like this. Perpendicular slope. The formula becomes m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. But we have a direct method for it. We write m2 value, we reciprocate and change the sign. Because m2 value will become minus 1 by m1. That is minus 1 by m1 is 6. It becomes minus 1 by 6. Direct. 6 by 1 it is, we will change the sign. If it is positive, we write minus. If it is minus, we write plus. 6 by 1 now becomes 1 by 6. If it is suppose m1 value is coming 3 by 5, what is the perpendicular slope? m2 perpendicular slope m2 will be what? Minus 5 by 3. And if it is already minus 3 by 5, what is the perpendicular slope? Plus 5 by 3. Yes, plus 5 by 3. Okay, this is how we find the slope. Different situations and different ways of finding the slope. I think you understood it. Perpendicular formula is what? m1 into m2 is equal to what? Therefore, m2 value will come what? Minus 1 by m1, no? That means m2 and m1 are reciprocal. And sign is what here? Minus, no? That means they are reciprocal to each other with a minus sign. That means whatever the value of m1 will come, if it is coming plus, we multiply by minus. Then what is the answer coming? Minus, no? That means when you find a perpendicular slope, you have to change the sign and reciprocate it, turn upside down. That will be giving the perpendicular slope. Okay, this is all about the slope finding I just now discussed. Now the equation of line. How to find the equation of line? To find the equation of line, we need to know M and we need to know a point. At least one point through which the line is passing. Line passing, suppose the point is x1, y1. Line may pass through 2 points or maybe more than 2 points, but we will take one point through which the line is passing and mark it as x1, y1. And form the equation. The equation of line formula is like this. Equation of line formula will be y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is the formula finding the equation of line. That is, to find any kind of equation of line, we need to know the slope m. And apart from m, what else we need to know? At least one point x1, y1 through which the line passes. Then we can form the equation easily. Yes? Any doubts? Okay. Now I just discussed one or two, then tomorrow we continue with it. Question says, find the equation of a line passing through the point minus 2, 1. This makes an angle of 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, which is making an angle of 45 degree already mentioned. So the point is given and m value now become tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Positive direction already mentioned. They have not given the diagram. Otherwise, from the diagram we can check how much is the slope. If the diagram figure is given and angle we know, then we can find the slope. You know the method. So M is known and the point is known. I will mark the point as x1, y1. How to find the equation? Y minus y1 formula is, let us write formula first. X minus x1. Y minus y1 value is 1. M value is 1. X minus become plus. This is y minus 1. X plus 2. We try to keep x positive. First, the format we follow like this. First we write x, then we write y, and then we write number, and everything equal to 0 we write. In that format we write. If you bring x this side, it become negative. Rather you send y that side, get 0. X plus y will go that side, become minus y. Plus 2, minus 1 will go that side, become plus 1. Therefore, from this side I write the answer now. Therefore, x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Understood? Okay, now another question. They may say, find the equation of a line passing through the point minus 2, 1 and 3, minus 5. 2 points are given and they are asking find the equation of line. So first we will find slope. Slope is also called gradient. You know 2 points when given, how to find m? M not given. So let us find m. We have y2 minus y1 by x2 minus 2 point blue formula will apply. This minus this, minus 5 minus 1, this minus this, 3 minus 5 become plus 2, minus 6 by 5, we find. Now, we take any one of the line, any one of the point and form the equation. So, suppose this point I take x1, y1, I will find the equation with this only. Or you can even choose this one and find the equation and answer will come the same, either of the point you choose. What is the equation for y minus y1, m x minus x1, now I am putting the value. y1 value is 1. This is minus 6 by 5. X minus x1, the minus 1 will become plus 2. I will cross multiply, it becomes 5 by minus 5. Minus 6 into this, minus 6 into this. Get minus 6, minus plus minus 6 to the 12. Bring everything on one side. You get 6x plus 5 by minus 5 plus 12 equal to 0. Minus 6 you bring this side, become plus. Now we have the answer coming 6x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. This is answer. Though there is a 2-point formula also finding the equation of line, but instead of that, we don't use that, but instead of that, we do part wise, because most probably they will ask you to find the slope of the line, joining the points, and then form the equation of line. So we prefer this method. Find L using 2-point formula and choose any one of the points and form the equation. Yeah, I thought about that. This is okay. Okay, now They are giving another question here like this. They are saying find the equation of a line passing through the point. Find the equation of a line passing through. They are saying that is passing through the point -1, 5 and parallel to the line and parallel. They are mentioning about parallel to the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now let us see how we do this one. Solution. Let us write the point through which the line passing. So point value is -1, 5. I will write that first. And one equation already given. So let us copy that equation. 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Make y as first you must know the slope of the given line. How to find? Where to keep y? On the left side or the right side? Which side to keep? Right side. So that it becomes positive. 3x minus 1 is equal to 4y. Which 4 we are dividing it? Get 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4 is equal to y. This is the value of slope. Therefore, that slope is like m1. m1 value is 3 by 4. m1 value will be writing 3 by 4. Slope of the given line as m1. Now let parallel slope. Parallel, this is the symbol parallel slope. Parallel slope m2. We know when lines are parallel, slopes are equal. m1 and m2 will be equal. m2 value also will come same 3 by 4. Now we find the equation of line. Now what is the formula of the equation of y minus y1? This is the point y1. This is x1. This is y1. y1 value is take directly. Slope means m2. The value of m2 we will take. That is 3 by 4 x minus x1, that is plus 1. Now we find answer. 4 into this will become 4y minus 20, 3x plus 3. Which side will keep x? On the right or the left side? Right side, because x is positive. This one will go the other side. It will come 3x minus 4y plus 3 plus 20. Now we will finalize answer from the x writing first. 4y 10 plus 23 equal to 0. Answer. Understood? But instead of saying parallel, if they say perpendicular here, what changes you will make? If they say perpendicular, here you will change the planning. Here will be writing perpendicular slope and m2 value will be reciprocal and change the sign. That plus is there, that minus 4 by 3. Same method will apply. Here now the new slope is coming minus 4 by 3. Here you will write minus 4 by 3 and now find the answer. Equation of line now you find. Hope you understood. Okay, so today we are doing this much as the equation of line. I taught you the basics. Tomorrow we will do more and some more.